Okay, then do you want to do it as well? Okay. It was a bit of a lame bird, wasn't it? Yeah. So just, if you just like, hold on to that. Right, anyway. So you've got to be so you just do that, just move stuff and 20 average, just step away. Okay. And actually, you keep on. That's actually your tongue without your try to put it out of the way, just put it down and stand the bench. Let's try it. Right, is that recording? Okay. So I'll start off then. So we'll make a regular how-to video, and then you say, yeah, we show you how to make our films with all this equipment, and then just get try to put it down and just slide it over. Right. Okay. So you open the shop? Yeah. We'll make it. We'll be making how-to videos, and we'll be showing you how we make our films using all this equipment.
This channel will be our journey into filmmaking, and you're invited to join us on the trip and experience it as it unfolds.
Sorry, I did a very gay moment. We'll get there. Right, we'll try again. How-to videos. We'll be making how-to videos, and we'll be showing you how we make our films using all this equipment. Fiddlesticks!
So this is what's your line?
This channel will be our
Rich, you
journey.
got a top of whiskey because I think you both need it.
Yeah, I reckon we do.
We've done quite a lot of this so far, which is...
Say you, emphasise you.
Okay.
Okay, it's still recording.
This channel will be our journey, and you are invited to join us on the trip. You are...
You, not you. You. It's good for you.
Sorry, I've got a bad throat tonight.
Sorry, of course, yeah.
Okay. Ooh! Actually, I know what to do. Pick it up, knock it over at the same time. What should I say? We're going to be making some how-to videos. We're going to be making some how-to videos. And we'll be showing you how we... We'll be showing you how we make our films using all this equipment. We'll be making how-to videos. And we'll be showing you how we've made our films using all this equipment. Fiddlesticks!
Want me to say that, yeah?
Yeah, you say as well.
This channel will be our journey into filmmaking, and you are invited to join us on the trip.
I think that. What should I do? Because I'm sitting there just alright, I can do that. Yeah, the video. That's right. We'll be making how-to videos, and we'll be showing you how we make our videos using all this equipment.
This channel will be about our journey into filmmaking, and you're invited to join us on the trip and experience it as it unfolds. That's too slow, isn't it? Do you think?
That's alright. You got the words right, don't need to mean it.
We'll be making how-to videos, and we'll be showing you how we make all our films using all this equipment.
Anyone subscribing to this channel is in for an exciting time, because this whole channel is going to be guided by you.